again. So this is your phonics lesson, and the very first thing we're going to do is we are going to go over some letter sounds. Some of them we worked on yesterday, and some of them we're going to work on today, and some of them we're going to work on later on in the year. But let's get some practice in now. So when I point to a letter sound, even though you're at home, I want you to make the sound that the letter makes. So let's start here. B, E, H, K, N, Q, A, W, K, I, O, A, S, V, Z, A, D, G, J, M, P, R, T, X, Y. So if you had trouble with any of these sounds, that's okay. We're just getting back into the groove of things with school. I really hope you practiced them and said them out loud as we went. If you didn't, you need to replay the video and do it, because only practicing will make you better. So these are just some of the sounds, but today we're going to focus more on like we did yesterday. Like we did yesterday. And today's new one is S. So I'm going to turn this off and we're going to start working on that. All right. So I'm going to get my cards up here like we had yesterday. But we're adding a new one. So we have the letter A. The sound is A for apple. Next, like we had yesterday, we have the letter M for mouse. And our new one, the letter S. Now you see there are a bunch of different ways for the S sound to be made, and those are down here. But we are just focusing on our plain little letter S for seal. So, A, and S are sounds. So I'm going to put those up here on the board. 1, 2, and this one might need a little extra help because I ran out of clips. That'll work. So we have our A, our M, and our S. Students, what sound does this letter make? I can't hear you right now, but you better be saying it. Ah. Students, what does this letter make? What sound does this letter make? And this letter here makes the S. So I'm going to try to think of some words that might start, with the letter A. All right, here we go. Technical difficulty. Okay, now we're in business. So I'm going to think of a word that starts with A. So let me get out my trusty papers here. All right, my first word, of course, because we have the picture, is apple. Now my second word is going to be ant. It starts with that A. Now what if I want a word that has the A sound but it doesn't start with it. Let me think. How about hat? Or sat? Those are all words that have the A in them or starts with the letter A that makes the ah sound. Now, what about the sound? The sound. I'm thinking we did this one yesterday. Milk or well, of course, mouse. We got mouse up there. We need another one. How about, what about a mask? A mask that we wear. And let's think, what about some money? Now, all of these start with the sound. I wonder if there's any that have the sound inside of the word or at the end. One I can think of is arm or farm. So I'll put that down here. So, some of you are probably thinking, but Mrs. Brown, there's an A in farm, so we can't put that over here. Or there's an A in mask. We can put that over here. Mask could go into both. That's okay. Now, farm would not go over here under the short A because it doesn't make the ah sound. This is a lesson for another day, but I'll just let you know, if you have any A's that have an R right after them, the R is a bossy R, and it controls the A, and it makes it say R like a pirate. So, no, farm wouldn't go here, but it does go underneath the M because it says farm, and that's what we're looking for. So, what about our good old seal? Our seal, let me change my color because I don't want it to look the same. What about our seal? What other words can you think of that have the letter S and makes the sound S? Here's one. Sand or salt. Can you tell Mrs. Brown is thinking about the ocean? All right, next. What else can we do? See, like I see you. Now, is there a word that has the letter S in it, but not at the beginning, that makes the sound? Maybe the word ask. We went over that one yesterday. I'm writing it over here because it can go right here into the S side, but can't it go somewhere else? In ask, does it fit in the S side? Yes, because we have our S here. Do we have a sound in the word? Let's see. Ask. I don't think I heard an sound. What about the A, the short A? Ah. Do we have that in this word? Ask. Ask. I think I heard it right here. So this word could go in this section or in this section. Now, what I want to do, I'm going to erase these words. And we're going to play a game. It's kind of like Hangman, but not quite. So, think about it, I'm going to write a word. But I'm going to leave a letter out. So, my word is going to be now, using the sounds that we are working on, what letter would you put in the middle? So, let's give it a try. With maybe the S, let's try. Is that a real word? No. So it's not that one. All right, let's try the sound. No, I don't think that's a real word either. So let's try our short A. Cat. Oh, that's a real word, so I'm going to write that one in. Cat. Wonderful. Now let's see if I can come up with another one. How about no, that's not what I want. All right, here we go. Let's try the A this time. Since it worked for the last one, maybe this is our magic letter. Here we go. Up. Nope, it just sounds like a machine making a mistake. So, next one. The M. Mop. That's a word, so I'll take my marker here and I'll write the M. Now, let's see here. Let me give you another one. Ooh, here we go. What about I'll tell you, boys and girls, this is something that Mrs. Brown wants very badly. Are you ready? Let's try the S. Because we don't have one with an S yet, so let's give it a try. Nope. That's not a word. What do you think we should try next? I think we should try the A. Nap. Yes, Mrs. Brown wants a nap. All right, let's see what else we got. How about, okay, I think you guys will get this one. Start here with our A. Ang. No, I don't think that's a word. What about the M? Ming. That doesn't sound like a word either. Let's try our last one. So if we put an S here, sing. There we go, that's a word. So, now that we've done a few of these, I am going to send you on your way to do our assignment online, because on your assignment, you're going to be filling out words just like this. You'll see a first letter and a last letter, and you have to figure out what's in the middle. Or you'll see two letters at the end, and you have to figure out what's at the beginning. No matter what, whatever is going to go into those blanks, it's going to be the letter A, the letter M, or the letter S, because those are the sounds we're working on today. I hope you do super well, and if you have any questions, remember, you can come to my open meeting and ask anything you need. Bye!